Good morning! Yay! It's first day of college, I'm in school as a sophomore, and I'm like tired but like excited and everything. But we have time, so we're gonna go out to eat some brunch. And honestly, I put some makeup on and I feel like this is gonna be my last time wearing makeup to go to school for a while. Yeah, so let's go. My outfit. We're walking near school. I can't speak English, but bear with me. It's such a beautiful day. I didn't expect this from Boston, but it's only gonna last for a week or 2 weeks. So, yeah.
여쪽에 올라가잖아? 어. 개 가파져.
아침부터 등산.
사람 유질나게 빠지고.
늦은 줄 알고 엄청 뛰었더니 2분 일찍 도착했어. 아 힘들어.
This is like church. There's nobody in the front row. So we'll consider this the front row, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Class is all over. We're at Target. I'm gonna shop. 오, 너무 많이.
내가 끓게 먹어.
Gonna shop. 아 내가 끓여야 되는데?
그래.
왜? 나 이거 끄는 거 좋아하잖아. Am I the only one that's gonna get Starbucks?
Yeah.
Oh. Of course I got venti dragon fruit lemonade. 아 이거 왜 이렇게 가만히 있질 못하지?
어우.
And we're going to Bed Bath and Beyond.
한국에서 밑거름은 다 걷는 거.
쓰레기통 싼 거 없나? 쓰레기통이 100불이야.
저기에 싼 거 더 많아.
쓰레기통 100불이야. 살 게 너무 많아요, 여러분. 돈이 얼마가 나가는지 모르겠네요, 정말.
그런 거 같아. 여기 앞쪽에는 조금
아. 거울 뭐 사지? 왕. 어씨.
나 어제 잘못 잤나 봐. 엉덩이가 결렸어.
엉덩이?
너무 아프다.
아 더워. Just got home, just placed an order for internet, and they're gonna come tomorrow to install the internet. And we're just gonna unpack everything and clean the house, and we'll have to run to storage unit to get our stuff again. We're having a real busy day, but productive one. 이거 어떻게 돼? 오리오는 마시멜로우가 안 들어가 있어요. 그리고 이거 4,500원? 한 4,800원 정도? 근데 2개 사면 5불을 준다네요. 하지만 전 다른 거. We're back at our house and we have much more stuff as you guys can see. But we're gonna vacuum first the entire whole place. But it's out of battery, so I'm charging it and I'm just gonna wait till this is fully charged and I'm gonna just vacuum here and unpack all of this stuff. So, yep.
휴지 다 쓴 거야, 화장실?
휴지 여기 있어.
던져주면 알아. 오, 나
We are kinda finished. Kinda. I say kinda. Like this. And the hallway. Bathroom. In my room. I even have the curtain, and this is gonna be my bed for a week until my dad gets here. And holy shit, there's a bug! Holy shit, there's a bug! Help! Oh shit. There's a bug. It's pretending to be dead. Fuck. 시연아! 젬마야? 한 명만 휴지 좀 가지고 와줄래? 그냥 통째로. 야, 움직였어. 야, 여기 있어. 빨리, 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 빨리. 너무 싫어. 너무 싫어. 너무 싫어. 야, 내가 밟았거든? 밟았는데 또 기어다니. 아니, 찍고 있는데 브이로그 갑자기 벌레가 죽은 자리. Anyways, I'm just gonna go to bed because I have classes tomorrow. And thank you for watching till the end. Oh my god, I'll try to sleep here. Good night.